Hello kids, let's learn alphabets. A. A for apple. Apple. B. B for ball. Ball. C. C for cat. Cat. D. D for dog. Dog. E. E for elephant. Elephant. F. F for fish. Fish. G. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H. H for hen. Hen. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J. J for juice. Juice. K. K for kite. Kite. L. L for lion. Lion. M. M for mango. Mango. N. N for nest. Nest. O. O for orange. Orange. P. P for parrot. Parrot. Q. Q for queen. Queen. R. R for rocket. Rocket. S. S for sun. Sun. T. T for tiger. Tiger. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V for van. Van. W. W for watch. Watch. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Yak. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra.